In Japan, these monkeys don't just bathe in hot springs to stay warm. They're also improving their health. These Japanese macaques, or snow monkeys, first discovered the hot springs in 1963. They've been soaking ever since. But here's the crazy part. Their bathing habit isn't just for warmth. It changes the microorganisms on them, improving health. This unique behavior is seen in one special park, Chigokudani Monkey Park. These monkeys soak for hours through the freezing winter. Which fact shocked you most? Comment below and stay tuned for more fascinating animal behaviors.